Kita. Kita. Yeah. Huh? Oh, look at that. Sitting on top. Mm-hmm. Ooh, look at that. Oh. You opened it up. Oh. You opened it up. Yeah. And you're kind of like on it. Look. There you go. You handed the paper. Uh-huh. Thank you. Nope, I hold on to it. What? Oh. Oh. You're on me. You're on me, yeah. Okay. Yeah. Oh, camera. Yeah, camera. Okay. You wanna try to unwrap some of this a little more? Look. Ooh, look at more paper. Oh. Uh-huh. Oh, you got your paper. Okay. Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah. Uh-huh. Jojo. Well, what about the present? There's still more there. Nope. We want the paper. We're good to go. Not all the paper either. We got this piece of paper. That's all you want? You got a whole present you haven't even opened up yet. Are you happy though? Yeah, you're happy. Uh-huh, yes, you're happy. Uh-huh. That's all you wanted. That's all you wanted. Uh-huh. You just want your one piece of paper. Yes, paper! Show your paper off. Uh-huh. You see the girl. Well, is it a success? You have your paper? Yeah. You got your paper. Like, I got my paper. I got my paper. Paper. Well, do you want to open the rest of your Christmas Eve present up? You get one present. You want to open it? We're happy with it, huh? You silly girl. There she is. Peekaboo. Where's the silly girl? Here's a silly girl. Uh-huh. Who's the silly girl? Oh, you are. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. You want the rest of it? You can have it. Oh, we got this one piece of paper. We're happy. Okay. Well, okay then. That's all you wanted. And that's what you're happy with, huh? You want a piece of wrapping paper. Now you're happy. Huh? Now you're happy. Oh. You gotta give everybody the paper. You give everybody Christmas paper. Oh. Alright. Okay.